This is a quick tutorial on how to set up a website with Awstats. Awstats. Well, first of all, you need to set up your host name. There's my host name, obsertkicksas.org. Now that is a DynDNS router configuration. So basically what we're going to do is have a look at etc. hostname. Now it helps to be root for this. Whoops. Etc. hosts. There we go, more etc. hosts. So there's your local root back. Don't remove that because then your programs will break. That one looks like IPv6, and the last line is the important one. Now that is the router address, what we get assigned to this computer. There is the website address, what we've set up with the actual router, Linksys it is, and there is the two local aliases, what we need to use. First one is the actual host, the second one is the alias. Well, I think that's how it works, because look, obvs. Right, so we've done that. Next, we need to yum install httpd. This is on Fedora Core 8. Right, we've installed that. Yum install Awstats. It's already installed. So the next thing we need to do is actually configure it. So we're just looking for Awstats at the moment. So we go to etc. And there you see we've got the configuration file. Awstats obsertkicksas config, Awstats localhost local domain, Awstats model config. Now that is in etc. Awstats. Now we're going to the other directory it's in, and if you look there, you've got the plugins, the library, the language, tools, all in user share. So we're going to have a look at the tools. Now you've got Awstats configure PL, HTTP Awstats update, log resolve, mail, but basically we want to go CD tools, ls, Awstats, and you want to run that Awstats configure PL. So first of all, we're going to skip that, but you need to locate your httpd config. Now I think under ours it's somewhere, I can't remember actually, we're going to skip that. Alright, none. Actually we're going to break out of that, because we're not exactly going to do that, but that's how you have to do it. And then the next option would be to enter your server name, which is obsertkicksas, or you know, or whatever yours is. So that's etc. config. So that's in user share Awstats tools. So we CD up from there, and now we're going to the root, and there should be a CGI bin, which there is, and you see that Awstats PL. Well, ls var www CGI bin. And as you can see, var www CGI bin has already got those inside because I copied them over with the copy var www CGI bin. So I use that command, copy var CGI bin, and it's asking me, do you want to overwrite? Well, no. Overwrite? Well, no. But that's what I copied them over. So the next thing you need to do is actually go to your cron directory, cd etc cron daily. Now we've got an Awstats configuration file in here which runs like that. It starts off with hash pling / bin / sh, that's for your shell, perl / user share Awstats www.root CGI bin Awstats pl -update -config, and that's where your obsitkicksass.org, that's where your domain name goes. That's because that's a link to your configuration file. So that's going to run and update your machine with stats every day. So the next thing, and I press Control D to exit that. The next thing is to finally go to the stats, and here we go. It's the address is obsitkicksass CGI bin Awstats www.pl. And there we go, there's our Awstats program. We've already had 6 unique visitors. There's the IP addresses. That's where they've come from. Baidu.com is a Chinese web server. There's the operating system, Sun Solaris. That's a good one, Sun Solaris. That's what I've been running on a virtual machine. And there's the links, APO networks. And that's it. So that's how to do it all. Hope you enjoy it.